Hey there, real second graders. Welcome to another video art lesson. Today we are going to draw a puppy. It's kind of like that dog from Lady and the Tramp. Starting, here's my art card, here's the middle of the card, here's the top of the card. Make a kind of rounded corners, half of rounded corners, kind of a part of a square shape. Next, I'm going to draw a oval. That's going to be his nose. I'm going to put a line down the middle going to the nose. Line and nose. Next, I'm going to make an eyeball and an eyeball. And the eyeballs are going to be round and big. And he's going to have eyebrows as well. Next, I'm going to make a large, from here, I'm going to make an oval right here for where his face sticks out. To do that, it'll look like this. And then I'm going to make a dog collar just below that, right here. And now I'm going to make a U shape and a U shape. These are going to be part of his ears. So U shape, U shape. I'm going to curl it here, and that'll be his ears. Okay. Next, draw a line for his mouth. I'm going to put his tongue hanging out. And then I'm going to bring his shoulders down a little bit. Shoulders down. Next, I'm going to make a little dog foot, and then a bump, and a bump. Draw little toenails. There's 2 front feet. Then I'm going to bring those from those front feet. I'm going to bring lines up, and we'll make his 2 front legs. There's his 2 front legs. Next, his back legs. I'm going to make a little bump, a little foot and some toes. Out here, a little bump and some toes. Just like that. And I'm going to make a bump here for him the way he's sitting, for his back legs. Okay. Then, I'm going to make a little dog collar. So put a circle there. And I need to make his tail. There's my funny little dog. Need to, next, what color is the dog going to be? I am feeling like he's going to be kind of gray. And his feet are going to be a different color, and his nose area will be a different color, maybe a peach or orange or yellow. I want my dog color to be red. So right now I'm just laying down some gray here on his face. His ears are going to be a different color, probably black. What I'm thinking. So now I get to make a lot of decisions on what colors I want to use. So now I'm going to use some red on his dog collar. I'm going to make that coin hanging on his neck gold. I'm going to use some yellow. Put the yellow on his face. And I'm going to put some orange on top of it. That's what I think I'm going Put his feet in. Orange and yellow mix. There we go. And this is what it looks like. Next, I am going to make his tongue pink, and then I'm going to do a lot of black. Well, I should do some grass. I'm going to do some grass first. Do some grass here. Black. I'm going to do the clouds. Sky first. Do that black last. Okay. Color some blue in the sky. Okay, finally black to outline with better. Oops, I forgot his pink tongue. My blacks are getting short. There's the black. That black nose. Oh yeah, this guy looks good. Happy little puppy. My kids want to get another puppy. Look at that. Woof. There he is. I look forward to seeing your little pup. Good luck.